Welcome back with another video of Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will learn how to convert date returns in Excel from date, month, year to month, date, year format. For this purpose, we will first write date in Excel from commands which we have already seen. So I have written date in Excel. Here it comes first day, then month, then year. We want to convert it into month, day and year format. We will go to insert option. We will click this custom bar, then we will click more number formats. After clicking, we will check this custom option. Here you can see your existing format is date, month and year, and you want to convert into MDY. So we will click OK, and you can see how you can change this format in Excel. So that's what the purpose of making video. Thank you very much.